guys, today I'm going to show you this, which this is the second time I've had to purchase this because I would never go without it. All right, but first off, the packaging for the price point, yeah. But look, and I'm going to take it out there and show it to you all set up in the little station that I have. But the reason that I love this thing, and this is by OXO, everything by them is literally just, sorry, but amazing. Let me show you why I love this thing. This right here, so you press this down, right, and it dispenses the cleaning stuff through here. And by the way, these are not sponsored reviews. I'm not being paid to say any of this. I'm just a regular person who buys products and tries to solve regular everyday problems, and then I share those solutions with you. If you enjoy videos like that, subscribe. Okay, so the solution comes out through here, and then how do you do? Have they changed it? Oh, hold on. Hold up. Oh, they changed it, which is good because I was getting ready to say one of the things that I didn't love about it is eventually there was seal failure around here. So the solution would just drip out, which made it kind of annoying, but it matches all the other ones that I have, so I had to order this. But I do like this because look, you can press down right here and pop this off and you can buy replacements. You don't have to buy the OXO ones. You can buy just generic ones. They fit. I know, because I always buy the generic ones. And then you just refill it right here like that. This is great, okay? I was a little hesitant to rebuy this because of this thing, but now that I see that they switched it so you fill it down here, I love that. And then I guess if you had like a nail, boop, you could hang it. Guys, no judgment. I have dishes in my sink. It's Saturday morning, okay? But you see, this is the little setup that I have, and you could put whatever you want right here, and the water drains into here. But let me tell you what, when the water accumulates in there, it smells like something from like a horror movie. All right, and then that's another one. Okay, and see, this is the old one, so I can show you. See how you would open this up? And this is where you would have that seal failure. So actually, now that they've done this, where this is completely closed off, I love that. All right, let's refill it. My daughter's gonna help. I'm so excited that they fixed that seal because that is literally the only complaint that I had about it. Oh, okay, it holds a lot. One. Nice. You just press this little button. Ooh. Did y'all see that? And it's pushing solution out there. It just did that the first time because it was still loaded in there from us refilling it. But it holds a ton because normally, you know, you see we have to have this big thing sitting here. But yeah, this is a great upgrade. So now I could say 100%. And I love this system. I've literally had this for like 15 years. I don't know. Anyway, great tool.